Good morning everyone, we're at our Koch Auburn Superstore and today we've got master in his trade, John Emmanuel, with us here today. Good morning, John.
Good morning, thank you for having us.
We are so excited to have you here. John, can you let us know what it is that you'll be doing here in the next couple of days?
Awesome, so we're going to be working on some exciting pieces. We're going to be doing an array of canopies, beautiful canopy florals, and some amazing urn arrangements and really big pieces which you love doing, so we're really excited about it. So, you know what, when you actually come in and choose your flowers, and there's such a big array of artificial flowers here at Koch Co, you actually get a bit excited. Some people like going to Bunnings. I love coming to Koch. Do you know what I mean? Because there's just so many beautiful products to play with.